Dear dignitaries, participants, and of course the students, this is the last session of the our international webinar. It is well said that a dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream you dream together is reality. So, throughout the day, today, 3rd September, we started to dream together as an international webinar on the role of social services in COVID situation, and it becomes a reality at the evening. So further I add during this validatory function, a work you work alone is only a work. A work you work alone is only a work. A work we do together is art and sculpture. So, on this day of the 3rd September, since from the morning up to this time, we work together in this international webinar for developing a certain overriding things, and it is not less than art and the sculpture because we work together. On this validatory function, we are having the two guests for the validatory speech. On the your kind permission, I would like to request for the address of the validatory function by Honorable Jainuddin Qadri sir. Sir is the chairman of the College Development Committee of Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree Science College. Sir is a immediate boss of me, so I would like to invite my boss so as to present the validatory speech in this occasion. Thank you, friends.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Until we survive, till our memories survive. Similarly, till our memories about this international webinar services. This international webinar is memorable, beautiful, splendor. This international webinar's memories and outcome will remain as hard as gems. Resource personalities Dr. Atul Salunke sir nicely elaborated the social dimension of NSS. It is memorable. Honorable Dr. Patil sir illustrated the lifelong learning and its social contribution in odd situation of COVID-19. Honorable Rajesh Mehra sir explained the social touch and social value of Lions Club in Corona situation. Welcome function, introduction of guests, introduction of research dignitaries, presentation of research review articles by academicians, participants were memorable, beautiful and splendid. It is validatory function where this international webinar is going to end at hard gems. In conclusion, this international webinar means organization and participation are at its best. Views and reviews are at its best. Delegates and their enthusiasm are also at its best. I would like to announce the gold medals for delegates who presented their reviews in excellent manner. This is delegates category. I am announcing only 10 gold medals being time limit. First, gold medal goes to P. Raghu from Bangalore. Second, Gold medal goes to Tangaradu Rai Pandi R from Bengaluru. Third, gold medal goes to Yas Singh Sisodia from Indore. Four, gold medal goes to Dr. Shikha Jain from Jaipur. 5. Gold medal goes to Kartavya Kaushal Jha and Roshan Kumar from Chandigarh. 6. Gold medal goes to Dr. Vandana Garg, Anvita Rotarpal, Sneha Negi from Chandigarh. 7. Gold medal goes to Prem Bhagwan Acharya from Alibag. 8. Gold medal goes to Dr. Seema Naik from Murud Janjira. 9. Gold medal goes to Bhanu Prasad Vishwakarma from Mangaon. 10. Gold medal goes to Ravindra Ishwant Patil from Alibag. Other gold medals winners are there. However, due to time constraint, their names will be announced immediately after this function. Thanking everybody.